I made it at home.
Oh,
Good, Aurora. Push them in. You can.
I did too.
Good job. Okay. Oh, decorating it. They're just decorating in here. Okay. Wait. Now Umika has not had a turn. Umika, we need to put here. Let's do this. Let's use these, and you put 3 on here. Okay, hold on. It's okay. We're all gonna have a turn. Umika, can you put some on his sleeve? Oh, go wash hands so we don't touch him with his knees. 1. Go wash hands, Leah. 2. 3. Here, you need more and we can fit more.
Can we eat the boys one after?
We might take a piece home. Maybe we should save it for a special treat tomorrow. Like put it in the fridge.
Maybe we'll bring it
home. We'll take a piece home. Okay, put some more. You can fit some more up here. How many is that? 4. Can you put 1 more? How many is that? 5.
Can the boys and the girls have a taste of dough?
Oh, of each other? You put a button on. Hold on. You're going to put some more on.
If we don't eat
Put them here.
If we don't eat any of these, can some boys and girls have them?
Maybe. Can you count, Victoria? 1.
Can I count these?
Not yet.
And count the pigs?
Put your snack away, please. 2. Good counting. Alexia, no thank you.
Why are those?
Because that's what they are. Okay, very good counting. Okay, Aurora, sit down. I'm coming back. Everybody take 2. Alexia, no more yelling. 2. Hold on, should I be 2? Aurora, here's 2. We're going to put them on his shoes. Wait. Yes. Go wash your hand, Victoria. You just put a lot of those. Let's let them have a turn. 1. Can you count them? Where are you going to put your other one? Oh, on the other foot. 2. Okay, let's let Aurora have a turn. Aurora, can you put some? Thank you for cleaning it up. Put some on his shoes. Can you count them? Can you count them? 1. Say 1. Where are you going to put the other one? You want to put it here? Say 2. Good job. Okay, Leah. It's okay. 1. Are you going to put it there? It's okay, Shivy. 2. Okay, Bella. Are you eating? Eat that one now. Don't put it on the cake. If it touched your mouth, you have to have it or throw it away. We can't put it on the cake. Okay, you have another one.
Wow.
Okay, put one on.
What's the rest of this for? What's the rest of this for?
Oh.
What's the rest of this for?
I don't know yet. I'll have to see. Okay, now, good job, girls. Look. What is it? Take some home today. You can take some home. I might give you one on the way out. So get rid of that, Jackie. None of that right now. Okay, let's see. Boy, gingerbread. Did you wash your